Hello, I'm Olga from RubyMine, and in this video we'll talk about Rails 8, the new major release of the Ruby on Rails framework, and how RubyMine helps you work with it. Kamal is a deployment tool that simplifies and automates the process of deploying web applications to servers. Rails 8 includes Kamal by default, meaning that when you create a new Rails application, the Kamal gem will be automatically added to your gem file, and a basic Kamal configuration file will be generated for you. To help you work with Kamal, RubyMine offers code completion for Kamal config files, making it easier to set up your deployment configurations. For example, let's add logging. New Rails 8 projects are created with a simple RubyCop configuration called Omakase Rails. After you create a new Rails project, RubyMine will show a notification suggesting to update the code style settings to match the Omakase styling. Let's check it. Here we create a new Rails project. And here is the notification. Once everything is set up, just click on this button to update code style if you want it. Rails 8 has also started using Markdown to format its documentation. RubyMine renders Markdown properly, making it easier to read and maintain documentation right inside your project. Rails 8 adds a browser guard method to the controller to restrict which browser actions are allowed to access which actions. In RubyMine, you'll get highlighting and completion for parameters, browser names, and actions. For example, let's also write Firefox. In Rails 8, you can also control the number of requests a user can make to your application within a given time period by using rate limiting. This method is added to the controller. Let's use user's controller. And RubyMine provides completion and highlighting for it. So with Rails 8, you can start implementing authentication by running the corresponding generator. You can invoke it via run anything. The generator creates the classes necessary for managing user accounts, passwords, and sessions. What is missing is a user sign-up flow, which you'll need to create on your own, as it's often unique to each application. Rails 8 simplifies deployment with solid cable, solid cache, and solid queue, reducing the need for external services like Redis and Memcached. These features leverage fast disk storage, enhancing performance and simplifying setup. All three are shipped with Rails, so you can find them in your gem file. And here are the schema files. In Rails applications, callbacks and validations help manage the lifecycle of the models and ensure data integrity. Callbacks allow us to perform specific actions at various points in the lifecycle of an object, such as after it is created or saved. Validations enforce rules to ensure that only valid data is saved to the database. This is not a new Rails feature, but now RubyMine shows you the added validations and callbacks directly in the structure view. And validations. We've walked through some of the most interesting features of Rails 8. For more details from the Rails team, click the link in the video description. If you have any questions or thoughts, or you want to share your experience of working with Rails 8, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.